The Apollo 11 moon landing conspiracy theory is the belief that the United States government faked the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. The theory suggests that the moon landing was staged in a Hollywood studio and that the footage and images of the landing were filmed and manipulated to make it appear as though it had taken place on the moon. Some of the main arguments put forward by conspiracy theorists include lack of stars. Conspiracy theorists point out that there are no stars visible in the photographs and videos of the moon landing, even though stars should be visible in the background of the dark lunar sky. Flag waving. When the American flag was planted on the moon's surface, it appeared to be waving in the wind, which should not be possible since there is no atmosphere on the moon. Shadows. Some people argue that the shadows in the photographs and videos are inconsistent and suggest that multiple light sources were used in the filming, which would not be possible on the moon. Radiation. Conspiracy theorists claim that the astronauts would have been exposed to lethal levels of radiation during the journey to the moon and on the lunar surface, making it impossible for them to survive. Van Allen belts. Some conspiracy theorists argue that the Van Allen radiation belt surrounding the Earth would have prevented the astronauts from reaching the moon, as they would have been exposed to dangerous levels of radiation. Despite these arguments, there is a significant amount of evidence that the Apollo 11 moon landing did in fact take place. The astronauts left behind physical evidence on the moon, such as equipment and footprints, and samples of moon rocks brought back to Earth have been analyzed and confirmed to be of lunar origin. Additionally, the United States government and NASA have provided detailed documentation and photographs of the mission, including transcripts of conversations between the astronauts and mission control.